Can you hear me? Hi.
Yes, perfect.
Thank you. Thank you, lady. Thank you for having me over. Well, my name is Shashie Natarajan. I'm a hardcore Bangalorean. My first thank you and gratitude to Mr. Prasad Chekera. Because of him, I have a Healy with me, else I wouldn't have ever had it. So thank you to him. Thanks to Ashwini for being that beautiful support through and through every day. Well, my journey, I'm an entrepreneur running two businesses. And as you all know, entrepreneurs do have their issues when it comes to running businesses. I did face a couple, and using Healy, there were a lot of things that worked around. What did I do with it? I used Mag Healy a lot when I was when I was meeting most of my clients. And some of the clients were really tough, and I was never be able to break it or, really get through to them to even to listen to me when I was going to having meetings with them. But once I started doing coherence and I started working with Mag Healy, I started inviting them to my office. Things really changed. Well, that was the first miracle that I saw in my life with Healy. And then, of course, I was anyway working with myself, doing all the goal cycles and all of that. And and you can see my gray. Obviously, I'm not a young woman. I'm a woman who is going through her menopause. Lots of issues as when you're a lady who is going through menopause. Every single area, right from a hair fall to your skin to issues to everything was an issue. So now today I'm in a space where my hair fall has stopped completely. I used to have rashes on my skin. My palm was completely in a bad shape, and that's kind of healed. So what else? There is a lot of things. And then as I'm an entrepreneur, I'm also a therapist and a karmic healer and Akashic reader. So what I do is when I'm working with my clients, I have again my Healy and my Mag Healy, either of my Healy or my Mag Healy on when I'm working with them. And it is absolutely fantastic. I can see it happen with my clients, getting some beautiful results for all of them. And I couldn't have done this if it was not for the Almighty's grace that it came through Healy for me. So thanks to Healy, thanks to Chekera, and lots and big hug to him. Otherwise, I wouldn't have got it at all. This is my journey. And I'm sure there'll be more miracles coming.